Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the LA Colors must-have eyeshadows palette. This palette comes with 6 colors, and I have it in kind of more of a neutral palette. It does come in some other color-themed palettes. This is actually my favorite one, personally. And so yeah, so the description: 6-color eyeshadow palette is available in beautiful color coordinated combinations. Colors can be used individually for a subtle natural look or blended together for a more dramatic look. So yeah, so this is just like a pretty simple, straightforward eyeshadow palette. It's very small, so it's very compact. It will fit easily in like purse or a makeup bag. It's also very thin. It's about the size of like a credit card. So it's really nice, obviously a little bit thicker, but like this is about the size of a credit card, which is really nice because it's super travel friendly, super portable. The name of this palette is Peace, and so yeah, we'll go ahead and open it up. There we go. It has a little snap there. And you can see the 6 different colors. So we've got kind of like a shimmery white. This is actually my favorite one, and I'll show it to you. I'll do like little swatches on my fingers in a minute. We've got like gold, gray, this is like a light brown, dark tannish, navy blue, and a bronze. And these are all very shimmery. These are all metallic colors, and they all blend really well together. Like you could literally mix and match any of these colors and it'll look really great. And so yeah, the pigment is also pretty good on these. There's just one, which you'll see in a moment, that the pigment is like not the greatest. It's not super pigmented, but other than that one color, the rest of them, the pigment is really nice on these. So I'm going to start with this one first and do like just a little swatch on my finger so you can see the color. So there's that. Like I said, it's super pigmented. It's really nice. Alright, and then, so that's like the bronze color. Then we've got the blue, navy blue. I guess it's kind of hard to see, it looks more black or so, but it is like a navy blue, and it's again super pigmented, really nice. And then we've got this like light brown, dark beige color here. This one is more on the sheer side, so it's not super pigmented, but still pretty good. I don't know that these are really coming across too well in the video, but I'm sorry about that. Alright, so the next one we've got here is like a gray metallic color. It almost comes across more of like a silver because it's so metallic-y when you put it on. And this one again is very pigmented. It's very nice. And then we've got this like gold color here. Again, very pigmented. Nice gold. It's a little bit on the sheer side, but it's still like super pigmented. And then last but not least, we've got this white one here, and if you can kind of see it, it's almost like a holographic white. So like, okay, it's not coming across in the video, but like if you look at it from different angles, you can kind of see like a rainbow effect because it's kind of got like that holographic effect. So that being said, these last two are going to be really good to also use as highlighters. So you can get double use out of these, which is really nice. I love when I can get more than one use out of a product, just because, you know, more for your money, and it's also nice to travel with when you can get more than one use out of a product. So if out of here I can get eyeshadow and highlighter, and maybe even if you like want to be risky, or maybe try it before you like leave with only this, you might even be able to test this out as a contour bronzer. So use it like right below the apple, like on the hollows of your cheeks, and kind of just see how it looks. And it honestly might work. It's going to be really shimmery, so if you like a matte look, then don't even bother trying. But if you don't mind a little bit of shimmer on your face, it's worth a shot. And if it does work, then you've got highlighter, contour, bronzer, and eyeshadow all in one, and that's gonna save so much space in like your makeup bag when you're traveling, which is amazing. So I'm actually probably gonna try out that as a bronzer when I'm done here. I hadn't even thought about that. I definitely have used like the white one. I love these two as highlighters. It works really, really well. And so the only thing, this doesn't come with any kind of brush and there's no mirror. Most of the time eyeshadow palettes, in my experience, come with a brush. This one does not, so that's probably the only caveat, but I do have plenty of brushes, and if you love makeup, and I'm sure you have at least one brush, even from another eyeshadow palette. So yeah, but thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this video.